This is going to be a video product review of the, what is this called? ULANZI ST-14. I'll take it to the box in a minute. Iron Man 3 phone clip. Cell phone tripod mount. ULANZI ST-14 smartphone tripod mount. Adapter aluminum with cold shoe 360 cell phone stand. Clamp for iPhone 12, 13 Pro Max. It also does Samsung. So, how much did I pay for it? It's definitely not cheap. But they also sell another one. I don't know which one it is. That the advantage of this one, let me shut this off. I know guys that they got hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and they do these unboxing videos. They waste forever unboxing the package. And they talk about how great the package is. I don't know. I'm not talking about how great the package is. I can't even get this thing out. I've wasted everybody's time. Oh my God. Cut. There we go. This was packed really well. I'll give them that. This is a really nice secure box and good padding. And this is, wow. Okay, so they don't want these to come back broken. I'll give them that. I can't get this thing out. Cut. I've had to cut this video I don't know how many times to get this thing out. Look at this. I'm impressed. Okay, so the phone's going crazy. Why did I buy this thing? I swore I would never buy this thing. I swore I would never need this. But what I'm doing now is I'm doing a lot of video shorts. And when you're doing video shorts, you gotta hold the phone like this, or the other direction, and you can't put this. You can't put your phone on a standard tripod. There's no 14. There's no quarter 20 screw on the bottom of a phone. So you need to have a bracket like this if you're going to use a tripod. And like with me, when I do my dog videos, I can't hold the phone all the time. I want to do some guitar music shorts, and you can't hold the phone. You can't. I'm not going to have somebody standing here helping me record. So that's the advantage of buying this. Now, this has, let's go look on the bottom over here and see what we've got. You got a quarter 20 over there, and I think there's a quarter 20 on the side. What do we have? You got 3 quarter 20s over there, so maybe you could put a mic. I don't know why you'd want to put a mic on the back. You can screw 3 things in over here. So you got 3 quarter 20s, quarter 20 over here. I don't know what this big hole was for. I don't know. Hold on. They also say it's magnetic. I don't think I have any magnets over here. Is this magnetic? Yeah, okay, so it's magnetic. So I think I saw somebody said they have this on their refrigerator. I don't know why. So it's magnetic. The other advantage of spending this mucho dollar money. Now they sell one like this this is the nice thing. And they're all like this. I wanted something quality. I figure if I've got money, I'm not going to buy plastic. I'm not going to buy garbage. And I want something decent. I want something that's not going to ruin my phone, but I also don't want a $1,000 phone to fall down on the ground because I bought a $5 bracket. So by unscrewing this, you have the option of going sideways. That would give you this view, or in the other direction, you'd get your landscape view. But the advantage of buying the, the ST-14 is not only does it give you this and this, but it's also got a ball, it's got a ball joint in there. So your ball is right, your ball is right over here. So instead of just being able to do this or this, you can move your ball up and down. And this is I think this is worth the extra money. I don't know that I'll ever use it, but if I'm going to be doing a recording, and I'm recording the dog, and I've got the tripod straight out like that, what if the dog's down on the floor? I want to be able to turn it down and angle it. So, yeah, that's why I bought this. Spend the extra money, get something good. We've got a lock over here. How does this work? We got a lock and an unlock. So this is an unlock. I have no idea. Another nice feature about this one, you've got a cold shoe over here, so if you got your cell phone mounted, you can put a microphone or a light or whatever you want. So we've got this knob, which is going to lock this thing vertical or horizontal. we've got this knob, which is going to be locking your jaws, and we've got this knob, which is a lock-unlock. Now you're going to see, it looks kind of weird, they don't really explain it, but you slide this thing to unlock. So that's lock, you slide this to unlock, and you should be able to pull this apart, put your phone in there, do the adjustment, tighten this thing down to wherever you need it to be, and you've got a good fit. And then you obviously press that back to lock. If you put this to unlock, but you're going to have to open this, put this to unlock. It's really kind of weird how this little bracket is set up, but you put it to unlock, and you can put that back and forth. It's not the easiest thing to use. Maybe it wears in over time. You've got the screws going in, the threads of the screws. So let's mount this on the phone. And here's one other thing which is really nice. Remember I said it was magnetic? So you can take this piece out. You slide this up, take this thing out. So if you don't have a tripod, you can take this piece out, mount this in here, and then you've got kind of the stability of a tripod. I don't know how secure this is. I don't know if you really want to depend on a thing like this for a $1,000 phone. For me, I would rather, with balance and everything, I don't really like this. I don't think it's that solid. It might get you through, but I would rather mount this thing on a tripod with the 1/4-20. Let's go put the phone on here and see what it looks like. And I'm not sure if I can return this, but without a restocking fee. But I don't really like this. I like all of the stuff that it does. I'm not going to take off my case. This is my protection. And I don't want to take off the case every time I use the phone. And you can see, this is the OtterBox, and it's got a grip on it, but it barely got a grip on it. And I don't want to clamp this thing down. And I had it on the table, and it just wanted to fall out of here. So I'm going to close down. See, if these brackets were a little bit bigger and went outward a little more, see, but now look at this. And I know it's not their fault. As I'm tightening down, it's just going to start squeezing into the plastic of my OtterBox, and I've got it on lock. And so if this is sitting on a tripod and I'm on a hill and something happens, I don't like that. Let me lock this down. I don't like it. This, to me, if you don't have a case on there, I would say definitely buy it. I've got to worry about this, and it's not their fault. I got to worry about this because I got switches over here for the cell phone, and I don't think that's got enough bite on it. Let's see, look at that. I don't think that's got enough bite on it. For me, that's not enough protection. I would rather not use this. I'd rather use nothing than to use this thing and watch my phone fall out of it and crash to the ground and have to go buy another phone. So it's a wonderful bracket. Let me get another phone over here. And so if you're like most people and you don't have an OtterBox or a bracket, you just got a regular phone over here, let's see what happens when we put this in here. Let's unlock it, squeeze it, tighten it down. This just freaks me out because I'm so worried I'm going to tighten it too much and crack the case. That's nicer. That's a lot nicer. You know, I know it's doing what it's supposed to do. This is much more secure. So if you have an OtterBox case, I would not buy this at all. Let's see, how secure is this? This is very secure. Maybe not. This is going back. That's my review. I'm really honest with my reviews. It is a very good product. It's just not going to work for my situation. And it might work for you, but for me, I'm not going to risk it. I'll leave it a link in the video description in case you want to buy this. This is the, what did I say it was? The ST-14 by ULANZI. Hopefully this video helped you.